Well, Farmer Doug's back from his annual family retreat, and I told him about the cows' hunger. So he's changed the gates around, and they'll be able to come back into this area. There's not a lot here, but there's some, and there's some in the trees in the forest. Not a lot, but like I said, some. So the alfalfa's growing fast. I think we're probably going to seed alfalfa next year. It seems to survive the desert conditions extremely well. It's one of the only things growing, so that'll make a difference for the cows. He's way out there. What's he doing? But all the cows are with him, so I don't think I'm going to have to count them. That's good news. Coming in. Hello. I'll let you run. There we go. Oh, you didn't eat your sprouts. How are you doing? Thank you. Oh, forgot I was recording. I'm attempting to record more in long form. Maybe I should even do it in widescreen. Well, we'll see. I experimented by putting a 20-minute video on this morning. If people watch it, I'll do more. If there's no views, I won't do more. Oh, this is pretty gross. Darn it. The water's clear. I'll clean that up for them. I just replaced the lower coops. Now it looks like I have to replace the upper coops, the upper class. Although the other one is going to get hay today. It seems hardly like we should be treating them with such upper class. They were supposed to be the money makers. 2 eggs a day. That's 100% less. Is it? Or is it 50% less? I never understood margins and markups. Last time I did this, I forgot to take this cap off. And then went a day without more fresh water. Yeah, that's clear water. Possible that I don't know what I was going to say. I don't think dirty water is the reason you're not laying eggs. Yep, I'm here. I bought a a cheap wireless webcam for this area. I put it in there so that I could watch who was laying the eggs. Is this soft? Nope. So I could watch who was laying. Yeah, it's a little weird. Watch who was laying the eggs. Hello. And I keep forgetting to check it because you can't have it record all night. So you're supposed to turn it on in the morning. Hello. Hi, Fatty. Is that really all you're going to give me today? Anyway, there it is. But it's a cheap one. I think I paid $21 for it. So you have to use their app, which is a shame. Because if I could use it as an IP webcam, then I could stream it online and everyone could watch it. 24 hours a day, the Coop Cam. So I might buy a $35 one instead. But believe it or not, that's out of my budget. I have to save up for $35. Fixed income. Yes, I know. I put fresh water in here, knowing that you would muck it up. Because that's what you ladies love to do. Kick up your mud. I wonder how deep the floor is under here. It's very soft. We're walking on hay for sure. Well, I would have liked to have seen at least 2 more eggs. You're out of food. Oh, that's a lot more than... I forget who's out of food then. Now that's interesting. 2 black hens out here. Does that mean the one in there stopped? Yeah, she has. She just likes hanging out. If it happens to be on top of the eggs, so be it. Okay, you're all good. No killing roosters today. I don't think we killed them. I think we pay somebody to kill them and skin them, turn them into freezer chicken. But I don't know. That's never happened. Not something I'm particularly looking forward to, but Today I am counting all 15 cows as one unit. One unit of cows. They are all there with Farmer Doug. One unit of cows. A lot. Oh, Farmer Doug has also done this. Well, he's obsoleted me today. Wonder what he's doing down at that fence, because they were allowed in there and they were having fun. But most of the grass has turned yellow instead of green. Do you know what time it is? It's time to turn out the lights. Come in and terrify you. Give you a scare. Not eating the adult food much. Don't worry. Don't worry. Those chickens are very scared of everything. Sorry, I forgot I was recording. Could it be a storm coming? Or just a cloud? Ugh. I put my hand in chicken poo. Seen that coming. I do it every day. One.